Hey guys, hi, this is Deepak again, and in this video, I'll be discussing about some practical aspects of how we will be using the AWS CLI commands and Python utility called Photo3, a nice utility called Photo3 for doing an integration with AWS S3. So let us get started. So I would request also you guys to watch my theoretical section on AWS S3. Please do go through the theoretical section before you come to this point. Please do watch it out. Otherwise, you will have difficulty in understanding what I'm trying to explain out here. So please do go through it. And let's start with the first operation, which is file loading using CLI. So let's start off with this. But even before I start, please do check out my video on how to set up the AWS CLI in your Windows machine. I don't have Mac, so I have not explained about Mac, but if you have a Windows machine, please do check that video. And before that, and do that operations that are explained there before you come to this video. Otherwise, you'll find it difficult to repeat these steps on your machine. So let us get going. So how do you upload a file using the CLIs? So how do we upload? So for that, you have to first, we will be using the command called the, let me zoom in this. Yeah, so yeah, so I think now it will be very very easy to visualize, I suppose. So the way through which you can transfer using CLI to transfer, you can use the command called, like in Linux, you have move or copy. So same command you have. So I'm going to move this file, some of the files. So now how you do is you call the AWS, then the utility like S3 or whatever application you are using, AWS being your initial application name, then followed by the command and the set of parameters. So typically the way you do it in Linux, it's the same concept, same thing, same damn concept. So let's get started. So for doing that, let me create one. So I am creating a sample file, a file that I want to upload it. Okay, so for that, I'm going to use. I will use both these examples. One is use the cp command and then the move command. So both of them, as we know, will delete the file in our source location during copy. But the cp command is going to just copy and make a copy and copy that. So let us give the name here. Let me create another. So I just created, as you can see, there are two direct files in my directory. So now in this, I am going to run the move command. So the way the first part is of first parameter being the source file and the second part being the target location. The target location is 1 minute. Yeah, so so you have these different parts. One is the first parameter you have to know is you have to give the S3, and then you have to give the bucket name, and there is the location or the prefix where you want to store the data. So same applies whenever, same applies the same formula or the you can say the same format for giving the S3 bucket. S3 target is the same. This same applies for the copy command as well. So I'm gonna first step is I will get my user authorization, a public key and a private key. I will be getting that and using it. And you guys, even if you see it, I will delete it after. I will delete my keys after the video, so you won't be able to use my key by any chance. So you can't use it by any chance. So that is important from my security perspective. So it is important for me. So I'm gonna do it. So let's use an so let us go to an application called IAM, and do check my videos on IAM, to check my theoretical section and theory and the practical sessions on IAM to understand more. And I won't delve in those details. I won't get in them now. So I'm gonna use a user like some guy. I will use this user and go and create the generate some keys. So I deleted old because I don't remember the private public or the private key. So I have created an key pair. So if you see just a public key and a private key is generated now, and this is generated. Let us let us use this. So I am going to use an Git bash utility. Git bash is very powerful. So it is very useful in running Linux command, Unix scripts. You can use that to run your Linux. So you can use it to run your Linux commands in your Windows. So open this git bash and you can install it from gitwindows.org. I think git downloads or something .org. You can use that. So now all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna run this command. This is my file being 44, and then we'll see that whether it is uploaded or not. Okay, so now before that, okay, let's not do it. Let us configure the setups. So AWS configure is the steps. So you plug in your access key, first access, and the secret key. Then just select default region and the format. Now that is done. Now, as you saw, I put four things. One is the public key, that uh, access key, private key, and the region. And that once that is done, then we are going to run this command. it doesn't exist. So it doesn't exist. Okay, so actually when I ran the command earlier, it had copied it even with my old permission. So let us go check in S3 whether it's uploaded or not. So you can check over there, or you can use this command. List I will cover in another video. So let's directly go and check it out. So my bucket name is this config bucket, whatever it is. So this is my bucket. Right, so you can see my file, that is copyfy.txt, is uploaded as expected. So let us use the copy command as well. So just using this, I explain how it is set up, how you need to, how you need to, how are the parameters set up for this command. So just use it. So here you have an error, access denied. So interesting. So it is saying that access is denied, which is fine. Which is fine actually. I think the permissions are not correct. So I'm going to use another set of permissions of my root user, and I will come back and I will use that. So I will pause my video to create and set that up. Yeah, I'm back. So I used another set of credentials, which is my master user credentials. So let us use the cp command. So as you see, the first part, so now the upload is successful. So as you can see, this is the parts. One is this is AWS S3 that you all know, cp source file and the target location through the bucket name and the exact location where you want to store the data. So thank you for watching this, and in the next video we'll be on another practical session on S3. Bye for now.